Mystery. Can I draw you a picture? This is where it starts. You posit a problem. It's helpful to use family members or friends. So let's do this. We're going to start pretty basic, okay? Daddy has, what's something Daddy really likes?
Video games.
Okay. Daddy is getting a shipment of video games. And there's a box of them. Okay? He's expecting 10 in the box. Okay? So he's waiting at the door and he's expecting a box with 10 video games in them. He gets the box, he opens it up. Guess what?
What?
There's not 10 in there. Guess how many there are?
What?
There's some missing. Somebody messed up and didn't send him all 10. He counts them and there's only 6. How many are missing? How many video games are missing?
1.
Can you use your cubes?
5.
Let's see. Use your cubes and find out. What do we know? What are the facts that we know? What are the clues? We're like a detective right now, okay? So what do we know? What are our clues?
He had to, some got missing.
So we lost some, right? So we know we're dealing with subtraction. How many was he supposed to have?
10.
How many does he end up with?
9.
6.
6.
So there's some missing. Okay, those are our clues. We know that he's supposed to have 10. He only had 6. How can we find the mystery? How can we find the answer? I'm going to give you some time. Just give the kids some time to think about it. Let them figure it out.
5 left.
Try. How can you start?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yep.
4 left.
So he's missing 4?
Yes.
You just figured out the mystery. So, let me see. He's supposed to have 10, right?
Yeah.
But Daddy checked and he doesn't have 10. He actually, we're gonna break this apart just like you did. 1, 2, he only had 6. That's a clue that we know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you broke off 6 and then you counted what was left and you found that it was
4.
4. So if I were to write a number sentence, I would write 10 minus, because you're taking away, and this symbol means subtraction. You're taking away. Did he get extras?
No.
No. If he were getting extras, it would be a plus. But he didn't. He left. We left some out. So 10 minus, how many? Did you find out?
4.
4 equals
0. No, 9.
10 minus 4 equals 6. That's right. And when we started, we knew he was supposed to have 10. We didn't know how many were missing, but we knew that he was left with 6. So you found this mystery problem. You solved it. You solved it.
But we didn't get his video game.
That's true. It was a hypothetical made up situation, right? But you were a great detective. So there are questions like that, and then they can get more complex, which we'll show as we move forward. Starting with something simple is usually best, and I would actually start within 5. So for instance, if we were starting out, I could say he, so-and-so had 3 apples and a family member gave him 2 more. How many did that family member give? Just a very conventional A plus B equals C is a great way to start. But using these cubes is really important.